Friends, coming up with another video. That's what's inside Eveready Heavy Super Duty Battery. So as we know, this is a combination of zinc, manganese, and potassium, the major component on the element which is found in earth. And these are the three potential elements to make the battery. As the name shows, it's super heavy duty. You know what? Just open from the top. Yeah, it's so easy by this way. Instead of cutting the silver material. Guys, let me put the gloves. All right. Iron material. So this is the energy portion. It's a grease. Oh my gosh, that's a grease. Huh. Okay, still we have to go. And not yet there. This portion is like iron, and you see on the dark, that's the energy powerhouse. Yeah, typically we can call it powerhouse. I'm taking out the plastic paper material. Let me touch it. Actually, this is soft. You see? You see here? This is soft. Huh. It's complete in the form of energy. Right now, not utilized energy. This is the one which gives you the whatever you use for the battery. It's use up the energy. It's zinc, magnesium. There are so many materials added, even copper. That's why the color is black or something like that, but I'm not sure why it's dark. So see, it's going like it's like a little hard soft material. That's the word I can say. This rod, it's like harder. The middle one, that's the one, it's pull all the way. It's tied to this side because this is the one pulls the energy from the box, from the packed material of this. I'm pulling here. Oops, complete pressure. Let's see what's this one. Can I break it? Oh yeah, I can. Oh yeah, that's it. Just pack the material. This is the like a some form of soft material iron, and then they put all the energy power in it, and then they put this one rod. Maybe it's a copper rod, I don't know. I need to do some research. I will find it out. And that's the plus sign. That's the one all the way goes to the top, which is the rod which is pop up. That's the one on the on the plus side. This is minus. That's it. So here you go, guys, and it's interesting. So good thing I'm capturing in the video all. So have fun watching, guys, and thank you for watching again. Okay, and please put me your comments, and I really love to read that. Okay, have a good day. Enjoy.